Ni ithu twanjiricwo iyo ino yakwigangara ndua ni gakuhe irio aiga niki ndamwira my darling Gathaiya we ni njui ndungijambia
auga ati wamwira atiriri ahana ta mundu ukurokete handu rucini rwa tene
kirabu acoke
agerere mucie thambe okay
ene ndamwira mufuto ucio guo tane ogoke wone wina injita inya
you are not nice
toka nguoni ngugaga atiriri rutemerwo haha anyitirwo haha na anyitirwo haha atige gucambithia brand ya wima to ni ahiana ngaragu ti mwega ti fashion is your mother's jeans ona ngonia ngoni tondu na ndure mugure ri na ni kwendete muno ri mutimi uyu ngueno to inyitirwo haha kidogo baterio kamero haha nenyitirwo haha atige gucambia wima fest
it's called mom jeans
tio switine twekeraga tieno enyitaga haha igafurera thi eno ti mami jeans eno ti hipsa eno ti arome eno ndiramenya kana kanyori sasa ya moreno athi koya na wera wa wima fest sponsor magomwera come next Dada gedokete muno.
Yes.
How are you guys? Are you ready?
Oh, we are.
You guys have not invited us.
We
to mwihorireirie turenda gukofia teo tuike tumite Karura Fest. Wow, twita in advance. Na tukagira tukauga wima kuja kidete.
So you had a Professor Gisharu, a good friend.
Pavilion.
The pavilion is always a wonderful facility.
Yes.
Yado maikarabega. Horeru.
Yes.
Oh, yes. We have a good show lined up.
Yes.
The mountain is funny.
Yeah.
Yes.
Arende igwa muthuri ugwetwo coconut ne bangite muno.
Yes.
Ni atuhe ndeto icio oha kamero ini. Ni watwirete he mundu ugwetwo twirere-ini.
Kwa hewani.
Tuigire ha.
Dakana ciana hau tuku. Ora ni nehe no na ndina joke. Oh. No dakana rore andu makinyire guku tha cigana.
Nemo fani. Akauga atiri. Mimi ni mfani walai. Walai guys.
Mundu othe ni funny. Wait until you get the mic.
Unakuwa na kamlima pale sasa.
Inakuwa mlima. Lakini the best thing about the show that I've attended and followed there Wima Fest. You guys mwena roho wa guy you don't get dry.
Amen. Thank God.
And you're not reading on the script.
Oh yes.
Unatoka liko kaide to ruta wera kondo ithero to homa to gakera roboro ndagika 20.
Ta Friday moti homa. Friday re. Mosifi.
No you guys no ithero tutirona andu aria turakenia.
Unatoka ya Friday re. Tukiweka hata tu motivational speakers.
Ayo ni link. Hiyo umeipoteza. Hiyo ungetupea huko bana. Hiyo umewezi.
Toka tukaenda watu wa kulikeni. Akata na mama kale une devotion.
Ule no acha ne praise and worship. None gwa gatonya na ithuĩ twikaga. Abete aka host wa munyoro ri. Na roka haha kugamba Ngai na korotisi ri. Twiyaragiria.
Hendo mundu angianjia kiundu. Wewe woko kaigwa ni undu waitu ni ukurenga miario.
Ama tikwaragia. Ucio nge agekenia jeshi. Twina inywe 23.
Thank you. Karibu sana.
Nitura ujohoro wa ticket. He muthuri uyu wana wa munyoro uyu gwitwo this guy ni ndirariganirwo ni muthuri ucio. What is his name this guy? Remind me. Muthuri uthoma mohoro please if you don't omatemengaga ha. Oh yeah, that guy. Ndiramurikana wega muthuri ucio. Maestro ni araiga mutire kinye mai mugongo. Mutire murahota kuigirira.
Kiondo.
Which is very unfortunate. Kumia colleague na timo kumia timo ja
demands aragia twethe mahiu kana iframe kumenya uria kauma na igu Those are his list of demands.
Unakiona ginya Odibet. No, nile Odibet.
Actually, Odibet 3. Come to think of it. Mugaire. Na Andrew. Hiyo story wanaweza panga hiyo mboka.
Wanaweza panga lakini shida itakuwa maestro hawamjui.
Nige maestro wako muhaura na degeri. Kiape okena tuenike.
Makaga which songs does he sing? No ginyoke convince client. Makaga no Samido, I know Tony.
No, dia three. The rating is like Samido's, eh? Don't worry, go low.
What are his songs? Maka get a hurry at YouTube. We are ready for the party.
How are his numbers to come? His numbers are where he usually is.
Yeah, he's just like that. Full family.
Oh yes.
Na wajera line up ne top. Aini ni muri munafanga ni aliko kana tuthio kahora.
Of course, our very own Waithaka wa Jane.
Oh really?
Like Master. We can have some meter up in there.
Nikiora kiwe.
Wanja asali. Yes. Ashini gaitoka mugithi.
Yes.
And a good number of them.
Yeah.
Ona mudogo to Jayan Gakuhe.
Oh yeah.
Young man agutha
ginya. Yeah. The one who puts on makofia makeria mademethio.
Very good man, I tell you. Oh yes. Atona ginya agenia itwa kuma na nja wa Kirima Eriko Mondi.
Bagoni is wrong with you. And I don't know what to go. Yeah,
Atona kamuruga gedi ka ni uko egeta Exodus.
Exodus I know. Yeah.
Yeah, kororo hau.
Na muthuri uyu hoya utuhoyagira kuria Yokohama ni ndironire line up ini.
Hau.
Muthuri mwega.
Ni.
Na of course mushaie kuo.
Muteikinya.
Muteikinya kwa na shows top atramwekira hari hakurekire.
Oh, yeah. Nesha yuka hena kana.
No. Okay, on that day, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. I'm rehearsing daily. Yeah, on that day, yeah, my entrance will be a grand entrance. Okay, are we together? Then Gahura show.
Please don't bet on him. Ona no krasi de kaolirie. Ero kaoragia gakauga kauma mahoya.
Augire ngari yathukiire kagio.
No, this time around I'll be there. I'll be performing. Yes.
Okay, got atia.
Ndigeana tha ici.
No na link.
Waithaka ki.
Ni torani ndire wazito aria meko uno igwa jeka hiyo. Kwena coconut. Kwena Dada Sara Kufai. Gikonyore. Hey, Eriko Mondi.
Acio ginya Eriko Mondi.
Kwena Eriko Mondi kana thutha.
Eriko Mondi ni agoka after nigoka after we. Raising for me.
You got raise.
Yes. For me. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'll be the last guy.
Nitoka koroto rere.
Eye mwakora exo.
Tokora rere let me ask. Kuna Gathaiya rere.
Mario muno hedi ya komedi.
No gatheka.
Hedi ya komedi tujira andu Mario muno. Tondu thia ukenia andu kauga ati tara ucio wizire samo Jage kogwo.
Kwenda rwepawe. Gara ikwa kuina na siga.
Tato echo kunani chokio na tokachokia.
Guys, do you kana mwika ati na guka wanyu.
Asa nekuire goja. Afunda nekuire ndie mamodoke ndikane seguka kirumba. Gaine no chorage mundu.
Ndokagwaza guka reke guku we.
Theka, are you ready?
Yes. We are ready, Connie, we love you. Mwah.
Tukia ndo Kisumu tukianjia wira uyu wi. Ngiriga joke. Ndo makirite ki. Yake ali makirite ki geigwa. Tuchekesha tumelipa bwana. Hiyo ni ya Jalango, sema yako.
Hiyo ni point ya Jalango.
Toa yako. No, comedy is serious business.
It is serious.
Nenda nienda ngezi mokori ka joku.
Hey, nisema yako.
Asha.
Ya todie. Ya lumayuma yako ni mesio. Nekugeto. Tumwathite watiga gathuke toinuke.
Todie madoni. Tira makamera na umata kata kwa.
We, shoo.
These people are noisy.
niguo ugitarie ui
Ukihia noguo.
yes
Nĩ thaa 8:30.